If you write code, you know that a lot happens between an idea and making that idea a reality that is accessible in production. There is so much that has to be built and managed on a daily basis. Infrastructure, CI/CD pipelines, runtimes, security, and build processes consistently distract you from what you're here to do. Create amazing applications. Our cloud application platform bundles all the runtimes, services, and components you might need to run any web-targeted application or workload and focuses on improving our users' development and collaboration workflow. While most of our users used to rely on monolithic applications, mainly CMS or e-commerce websites, we have seen many changes in the market lately that benefit from the flexibility we provide regarding runtimes, services, or how users decide to architect their own applications. Let's review some example applications that can be deployed and run on our platform. It all starts with the classic monolith application. We can handle popular CMS like Drupal, WordPress, Ibexa, Typo, Ghost, Statomatic, or Craft CMS, but also new emerging ones relying on Node.js like Strapi and Payload CMS. Most of our clients rely on the top open source e-commerce platforms like Adobe Commerce, Magento, or Shopware for online retail. Talking about retail, we have seen a growing trend of developers deploying companion apps for major SaaS e-commerce vendors like Spotify. We also see a growing trend in statically generated websites. Popular SSG tools like Hugo, Gatsby, and Astro are compatible with our platform. Including the build process in our included CD tooling makes it easier for our users to handle this solution. Unlike most of the competition, we are not limited to a single stack or technology. Our platform can handle all industry-leading backend frameworks regardless of runtime. To give a quick overview of what we see our users are deploying, here's a few examples. Symfony and Laravel for PHP. Django, FastAPI, and Flask for Python. Koa, Express for Node.js. Ruby on Rails. Spring for Java. Even .NET Core can be run on our platform. While we can run all the services that these frameworks usually rely on, we also inject the correct configuration and environment variables for them to run out of the box. Our Platformify tool will detect these frameworks and bootstrap the YAML configuration to deploy them in minutes. With the rise of front-end frameworks, decoupled applications are on the rise. Whether they rely on a CMS or a custom-made app out of a framework, we see a lot of projects composed of statically built SPA JavaScripts, front-end interacting with a REST or GraphQL API. Our routing layer makes it easy to expose both publicly or create internal links if the front end relies on server-side rendering to pull up the data. Once again, our CD pipeline will take care of pulling dependencies and building the front-end application's production assets. All JavaScript libraries can be built and deployed React, Angular, Svelte. This means all frameworks built on top of them are compatible. Next.js, Nuxt, Backbone, Ember, you name it. Regarding JavaScript runtimes, users can leverage Node.js directly or drop in replacements like Bun or Dino. Any build tool can be used, Webpack, Vite, TurboPack, etc. This also means our platform is the perfect place to deploy the future React 19 and Next.js 15 server components and actions as we have been doing for this and runtime for years. Back to the application architecture. Our platform was created with many complex architectures in mind. Whether you are running microservices requesting data from a single source or a domain-driven design with isolated databases, our platform can ensure that this is deployed and configured independently. Our development workflow provides a better collaborative environment to work on these architectures across several development teams as well. No matter the number of applications or services, you can scale either a group of components or each component individually. While stateless applications will scale vertically, more resources on one instance of a service, or horizontally, adding more instances of a service, data services will scale vertically until we deploy a triple redundant infrastructure to guarantee resilience and performance. With our triple redundant infrastructure, we are able to provide auto-scaling for customers to meet even the most demanding customers' uptime needs.